$40,000 buys you a lot of new car. It also buys you a lot of disappointment. Hard plastic door panels, a turbocharged four-cylinder that sounds like a lawnmower under load, a warranty that starts counting down the second you leave the lot. But that same $40,000 in the used luxury market, that's a completely different conversation, and most buyers never have it. We're going to cover 10 vehicles today, and I'm saving the last one for a reason. It's a body-on-frame luxury SUV with a naturally aspirated V8 that Toyota engineers have been quietly building to last 200,000 miles, and right now you can buy a used one for less than $40,000. Most people walk straight past it. By the end of this video, you won't. These 10 vehicles originally sold for between $50,000 and $80,000. Someone else absorbed the depreciation. Now you get to walk in and collect the reward. Start with the most reliable name in the segment. The 2021 Lexus RX 350 is currently available on the used market for roughly $27,000 to $41,000, depending on trim, mileage, and region, confirmed by current listings on Edmunds and Kelley Blue Book, where the KBB fair purchase price for a standard trim sits around $33,000. That's a vehicle that originally stickered at nearly $48,000 new. The 3.5-liter V6 produces 295 horsepower and returns an EPA-rated 20 city and 27 highway miles per gallon. The cabin is quiet, the ride is smooth, and Lexus ownership costs are among the lowest in the luxury segment. If you want a luxury SUV that simply never gives you a reason to worry, this is the benchmark. The 2021 Genesis GV80 is the most undervalued vehicle on this list, and that's not an opinion, it's a market reality. Car and Driver gave the GV80 a perfect 10 out of 10 and named it an editor's choice. US News & World Report ranks it number 1 in the luxury midsize SUV category. And yet used 2021 examples with the 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, rated at 300 horsepower, are regularly available in the low to mid-30s. The twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6, producing 375 horsepower, can still be found under $40,000 on higher mileage examples. The interior is genuinely stunning. Quilted leather, open-pore wood, a panoramic roof, and the original 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty from Genesis may still have significant coverage remaining on a well-maintained example. That warranty detail alone changes the risk calculation entirely. The 2021 to 2022 Acura MDX is the three-row answer on this list. The completely redesigned third-generation model brought a 290-horsepower 3.5-liter V6, a 10-speed automatic, and an interior that finally matched the luxury segment it was competing in. EPA fuel economy comes in around 19 city and 25 highway. Used examples are widely available in the $30,000 to $40,000 range, and Acura's certified pre-owned program can extend coverage meaningfully. If you need 3 rows, genuine reliability, and low ownership costs, the MDX is one of the most rational purchases in this entire budget. Here's where things get more complicated. The 2020 to 2022 Audi Q5 is one of the most beautifully built compact luxury SUVs ever made. The interior quality, the driving dynamics, the refinement. The 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder produces 261 horsepower and returns around 22 to 23 city and 27 to 28 highway. Used examples in this range are widely available between $30,000 and $38,000. The honest caveat is ownership costs. Audi maintenance runs higher than Japanese alternatives. But a well-maintained, low-mileage Q5 with service records is a very different proposition from a neglected one. Go in with eyes open, and it rewards you. The 2020 to 2022 Volvo XC90 is the three-row option that almost nobody mentions in this context, and that's a mistake. The T6 configuration, turbocharged and supercharged 2.0-liter producing 316 horsepower, returns an EPA-estimated 19 to 21 city and 27 to 30 highway, which is genuinely impressive for a three-row SUV. The XC90 has earned top safety marks from both the IIHS and NHTSA across multiple model years. Lower trim, higher mileage examples can be found in the mid to upper 30s. The Scandinavian interior is unlike anything else at this price point. Clean, premium, and distinctly different from the German and Japanese alternatives. Halfway through, and this is where the conversation shifts. The 2019 to 2020 BMW X5, specifically the fourth-generation G05 platform, is available used in the mid to upper 30s for lower-trim, higher-mileage examples. The xDrive 40i uses a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six, producing 335 horsepower, with EPA estimated fuel economy around 21 to 23 miles per gallon combined. It drives like a sports car wearing an SUV's body. The steering is precise, the body control is exceptional, and the inline-six is one of the best engines in the segment. The maintenance costs are real, higher than anything Japanese on this list, and an extended warranty or CPO purchase is worth serious consideration. But for the most engaging driving experience here, nothing else comes close. The 2019 to 2022 Acura RDX is the compact option that consistently tops reliability studies. The 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder produces 272 horsepower, paired with a 10-speed automatic and available super-handling all-wheel drive, Acura's torque vectoring system that genuinely transforms the driving dynamics. EPA fuel economy is around 22 city and 28 highway with front-wheel drive. Used examples are widely available in the high 20s to low 30s. Ownership costs are low, the powertrain is proven, and the sh-awd system gives it a driving character that most compact luxury SUVs simply don't have. The 2022 Infiniti QX60 represents one of the most dramatic quality jumps in recent luxury SUV history. The previous generation was competent but uninspiring. The 2022 redesign brought a new platform, a new interior, and a 295 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 with a 9-speed automatic. EPA fuel economy is around 20 to 21 city and 25 to 26 highway. Used examples are available from roughly $30,000 to $40,000 depending on trim, per current market data. Semi-aniline leather, a 12.3-inch infotainment screen, and available captain's chairs in the second row give it a premium feel that punches well above its used price point. The ninth vehicle will generate the most debate, and that's exactly why it belongs here. The 2019 Porsche Cayenne base configuration is available in the used market starting in the low to mid-30s for higher mileage examples. The base 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 produces 340 horsepower. EPA fuel economy is around 19 city and 23 highway. U.S. News & World Report ranks the 2019 Cayenne among the top used luxury mid-size SUVs in this price range. It does something no other vehicle on this list can do. It makes you feel like you're driving a sports car. The maintenance costs are real and must be budgeted for. Buy one with full service history, ideally through a Porsche CPO program, and its extraordinary value. Ignore that advice, and it becomes an expensive lesson. The final vehicle represents a different kind of value entirely. The 2019 to 2020 Lexus GX 460 is body-on-frame, built on the same platform as the Toyota 4Runner and Land Cruiser Prado, and its reliability record is almost unmatched in the luxury segment. The 4.6-liter naturally aspirated V8 produces 301 horsepower. Fuel economy is around 15 city and 19 highway, the worst numbers on this list and a trade-off you need to accept honestly. Used examples are available in the mid to upper 30s. The interior is dated, the technology is behind, but this is a vehicle that will still be running reliably at 200,000 miles with proper maintenance, and almost nothing else on this list can say the same with the same confidence. Here's the actual takeaway. Every vehicle on this list originally sold for between $50,000 and $80,000. The depreciation has already happened. The person who bought it new absorbed that hit. You're walking in at the bottom of the curve, getting heated seats, premium audio, genuine leather, and powertrains that were engineered to a standard that no new car under $40,000 can match. The homework still matters. Get a pre-purchase inspection. Pull the vehicle history. Understand the ownership costs before you sign. And if you want to make sure your used luxury SUV actually stays that way, reliable, well-maintained, and not bleeding money at the shop, grab the Mr. Car Insider Field Manual. Bulletproof your ride. It's 10 essential maintenance hacks that can save you over $1,000 a year, extend your engine's life, and help you avoid the mechanic on the things you can handle yourself. The link is in the description. And if you want to know which luxury SUVs the genuinely wealthy drive specifically so nobody knows they're rich, the ones that fly completely under the radar while costing as much as a house, that video is up next. Don't skip it.